Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to secure your financial future? Today, I want to talk to you about saving money in the right places. One of the best ways to do this is by choosing a reputable investment firm. But how do you spot the warning signs of a fraudulent company? Firstly, always do your research. Look for a strong track record of success and positive reviews. Second, be wary of promises that sound too good to be true. Legitimate investment firms will offer realistic, achievable returns. Lastly, trust your gut. If something feels off or the company is not transparent, it's best to walk away. Remember, investing wisely and choosing the right firm can help you save money and build a secure future. Welcome to today's video where we'll guide you on how to save money in the right investment firm. Investing wisely is crucial, so let's dive into spotting warning signs of illegitimate companies. First, research thoroughly, check for proper licensing, and be skeptical of guaranteed high returns. Trust your instincts and always verify credentials. Remember, investing is a journey, so prioritize due diligence and protect your hard-earned money. Stick around for more valuable tips.